Belle, what are we expecting later?
Well, this is day two, Heidi, really of a charm offensive here to try and win back investors. So the roadshow, it's going to be taking place in Hong Kong Centre, which is the very building that I'm in right now, which is located in the centre of the city. Now, it's about bringing Adani executives together with key investors from the likes of Barclays, that's whose office the event is being held in, plus others from BNP Paribas, Stanchart, Deutsche Bank, other investors. The kickoff will be at 9:45 a.m. local time, so just over 3 hours from now, and it appears that it's going to be a series of smaller group sessions broken up by an investor luncheon and closing around 5:30 p.m. local. Some of the key names we're going to be looking for here is Robbie Singh. He is the Adani Group CFO, and then also Anupam Misra. He is the head of Group Corporate Finance, and other company executives there among the people that will be attending, we believe, Sherry, later today.
So, Belle, what did we get from day one in Singapore, and what sort of impact did it have at all in the markets?
Yeah, so Sherry, the focus of the Investor Roadshow on Monday, the kickoff in Singapore, we're told, was really about reassuring investors that they do have ample capital at hand. So, and that is really quite a serious concern, given it was one of the hallmarks of the Hindenburg research report that Adani Group had so much leverage and was heavily indebted. So the focus was really that Adani Group can repay its debt that's maturing over the next 3 years. Also that it has enough credit, because it told investors it had an $800 million credit facility. Now, in terms of the investor reaction that we saw from the markets angle, we did continue to see selling across the Adani Group stocks portfolio on Monday in the session in India. Adani Enterprises, for instance, which is the flagship, it was off, you can see there, nearly 10% at the close. So clearly there is a lot of concern here amongst traders. It hasn't been enough so far, this Investor Roadshow, to try and shore up sentiment. What is interesting, there's the stocks, but then there's the bonds side as well. And we did hear from at least 2 investors who were there in Singapore on Monday. They said that they are buying up Adani debt. That did follow the likes of Goldman Sachs, for instance, saying it was a buying opportunity. Not everyone so positive, though, because others who were also in attendance saying that they were a little bit more cautious, Sherry, on those assets.